to be happy.
Sure.
It's your country.
Yeah, no, definitely. Ngicela nje Tumakade ukubuyela embuzweni. So during the transition, so my question is around now, njoba nje zonke lezi zinto ezenzakalayo ukhuluma ngazo zenzeka ngaphansi kwahulumeni omnyama. Kodwa nina ni generation yeintatheli ekwakumele ziholde ugovernment omnyama accountable early, very early, and izinto siyazi ukuthi zaqala ukwenzeka early makukhulunywa ngearms deal yenzeka ngo-1998. So ziningi izinto ezaqala ukwenzeka ezi-corruption. How difficult was that to hold government accountable and ask them difficult questions?
It was so difficult. Khona kwakwenzeka ukuthi kuzozwakala iside elilodwa lomuntu thizeni. Mina ngabanye amanambana ngokuthi kuzwakale elinye iside kodwa iside lika Jacob Zuma lingazwakala. And I fought to make sure that alizwakale lenzekalo to balance the story. Makhulunywa ngendaba yokuthi ubaba uJacob Zuma utholakala ubhekene necala lokunukubeza le ntombazana lokukhweza.
Yes.
Wayese eyekisiwe kuba deputy president. Kodwa yezwe kodwa eqhubeka noba deputy president of South Africa. African National Congress, ANC. And he would come somewhere in KwaZulu-Natal and go and speak about the economic policies, about the ANC. So stories were Jacob Zuma lo uhlangane nosomabhizinisi baseThekwini kukhulunywa ngendaba ezithika. uZuma obhekene necala lokunukubeza lengane Khwezi. It was not for me to judge ukuthi ukwenzile noma kwenzani. Kodwa ngithi manje kufakelana lokuthi ubhekene necala lokunukubeza uKhwezi ebebhekene necala kube story. It's about his meeting
with
as a deputy with business community. You know, uma esebhekene necala lalelo lokunukubeza uKhwezi, let that be the story. You know, singa mixi okunye nokunye. Ufana nokuthi mangikhuluma lokho nawo ukuthi uNtobeko uvule isikhungo sokusakaza podcast. uNtobeko lo owafeyila umatric. uNtobeko ofeyila umatric kathathu.
Usevuli podcast.
Kanti desibona nje bakuthi makukhulunywa ngomthwa the disgraced lomfunda amaphepha amayibhala nje ngomuntu bazothi mhlambe the disgraced former public protector.
Yes.
Yeah, indesibonayo yenziwa kwemedia.
It's so unfortunate that you still do those things.
Yeah.
You should not be doing that.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it goes back to just ethics, you know, being an ethical person. I think that what it goes back to Tumakade. Mhlawumbe Tumakade before sivale njengomuntu broadcasting wasakaze for over 40 years. Ngiyazi ukuthi namanje umuntu osayilandela izindaba. Futhi namhlanje eSouth Africa sports for choice. Mawuvula nje iTV yakho asemaningi ama-news channel even outside of the SABC as access to them. What do you think of equality ezokusakaza kulesi sikhathi esiphila kusona njengamanje?
You see, angiqale ngenhlangano ye-SABC engisebenzele kona.
Okay.
Kukhona inkosazana lana othi uPhathiswa Magobeni ebiphethe izindaba kwa-SABC.
Yes.
Brilliant woman.
Okay.
Brilliant leader. Le nkosazana yaqala indawo yayifuna ukuqala sase siyixoxile ngendaba ukuthi bafethu senizohamba ngenxa iyeminyaka ukuthi sekufika isikhathi ukuthi niyophumula kodwa ngifuna sakhe inqolobane of these brains well, I don't know whether mama brains ayadingeka lapho kodwa ke kwathi ufuna siqala sibe yingxenye ye-SABC ezokwazi ukufundisa laba ikakhulukazi intsha because enye into esuke ibe inkinga is that our media keeps on juniorizing ama-newsroom bathola ukuthi uNtobeko is good hey uyabhala lo mfana hey good sakaza kamnandi package kamnandi suka lapho bakunikeza iposition yokuba i-edit somebody sebezolanda
fresh
usifis azongena yabona akasakho lolu lwazi usunalo Ntobeko osuqoqile over the years awusezolisebenzisa-ke manje ngoba awusekho kuleyo level yokulisebenzisa usuke enye level unlike BBC go to BBC yase-England Britain go to Deutsche Welle in Germany go to Chinese broadcasting go to CNN uthola amakhehla amadala 8 years 78 years behamba beyo-report they know the story ukuthi njengoba siqala kanje sizothi he will coach into eyenzeka 10-15 years ago you know ayibala asifake istory sibe ne-context sibe nenyama isitori sikhanyisele nongazi ukuthi nawe ongazi ukuthi kwenzekani look unfortunately manje sekukhona ingane ezintsha ezincane bajabulela nje ukuthi no hayi ngiphethe benze show ukuthi futhi bamnyathela wena ukungazwakali you know backbiting kuze kukhulunyelwa indaba zokuthi khona ama-brown envelope angisho ukuthi I'm discrediting journalism now no not at all kodwa akusekho lokho kubambisana thina we family ngaleso sikhathi kepha siyathemba ukuthi brains ezifana noPhathiswa Magopeni wherever she is she can still have an organization that can engaqoqa bonke la this old guard these brains as they call but the brains are still there bakhombisa ukwazi mhlawumbe kwenze an institute engakwazi mhlawumbe ukutrainer lama particularly abantu abamnyama ukuzotrainer lezi ntathile izethu ezincane ezimnyama ezinye ziyahluleka shame zihluleka noma sekukhona Google kuma cellphone zihluleka with all the apparatus thina kwangena Google kwangena lutho kwakuyipeni lakho ne-notebook and a story lapho that's all that you have to do and we did it and if masakuthiwe Dumsani when you look back into your life if we can go back what would you like to do?
Yeah,
I'd say I'd like to do it again.
Wow.
As a journalist.
Ngokuthi ngilombuzo ungifikele engqondweni njengamanje into ozokubuzile kodwa ubuthe ukuhluka kancane mine will be a little bit more direct ka SABC kunale perception yokuthi udriver iagenda ya lo soyikhulumeni ngaleso sikhathi noma affection futhi lesuke in power mabe ngithi ngabe ukuthi ANC ekhulumeni kodwa ma ukuthi faction bubuyela ku kasakhona u former president Thabo Mbeki no former president Jacob Zuma i faction ka former president Thabo Mbeki yona ya in power ngabe likhona iqiniso likhona lapho and wakwayithola instruction ethi mhlambe ungakhulumi nosibanibani noma ungam-interview sibanibani yake yaba khona interference eyake wayi-experience while ka-SABC?
I-political interference is always there. In many respects. Kodwa ke ayibi direct.
Okay.
Ufunda kwezakho uthola ukutshana ufuna ngenze kanje. But intatheli nomgogodla I doesn't bow to that pressure. Angikhumbuli umuntu mina ayela leso story no ungamkhulumi nosibanibani. Kodwa ubona phela ngokuthi ubona ngoba engafaka kule story kodwa le story sithintayo. And what journalism kufanele ukuthi mangikhuluma ngoNtokozo. And then uNtokozo naye must give him the right to reply. I understand. Angikhumbuli noma sengiphethe izintatheli noma sengiphethe current affairs wonke. I don't remember getting an instruction from somebody ukuthi no, don't talk to so, don't talk to so. Uyibona ngelanguage zakho ukuthi abamfakile lona okay. Untathi ngimfake khona. Akithi phela iyona ilokhosi. Iyona those are principles of journalism. Unikeze ne right to reply.
Yes.
Umuntu obekuthe wathi ngawo Ntokozo. Kuthini? Awu into bese ngithi wena ngeuthini uthelo wena uthini. That's how the game a fair game is played.
Sure.
Apart ukuthi manje ngine agenda ethi uthe wathi uSpanman nambe singamsamnikeza lona right to reply. Right to reply ilungelo lakhe lokuphendula.